Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful and a colorful scenery in MS Pen with very easy method. In this scenery there are some rocks, trees, reflected water, a moon and a colorful sky. So not doing any delay, let's start. First go to the resize, select pixel, antique aspect ratio and set page size as 97 into 552 px. Now select yellow color and line shape and draw on the canvas. Now select fill and fill the lower portion. Select orange and fill the upper portion. Now select purple and line shape. And now use indigo blue and line shape. And now go to the edit color. Select some dark shade of indigo blue and use line shape. And last use black and line shape. To blend the color, go to the resize. Select pixel, antique aspect ratio and put vertical value 1. Again go to the resize, select pixel, antique aspect ratio and now put vertical value 552. And now you can see the color has blended. Now go to the select and select all. Hold the right line of the selection and drag it to the middle of this canvas. Now copy the selection and now paste it and rotate as flip horizontal. Now adjust the selection. To draw the rocks, use black and pencil tool. To increase the brush size, type Ctrl and number per plus on your keyboard. For laptop, use on-screen keyboard or an external keyboard. To give some highlight to these rocks, use yellow and natural pencil brush. Now go to the edit color and select some dark shade of yellow. And now use black and line shapes to draw the trees. And now use pencil tools. Now go to the edge color and select some dark shade of green and use natural pencil brush to draw the bushes. And also use dark green. Use line shapes, yellow and dark yellow to give some highlight to the water. And now select color picker and pick the yellow color from the canvas and circle shape to draw the moon. And now pick purple color from the canvas. And now use airbrush. And last use white and pencil tool to draw the stars. Hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and bye.